Hi guys, Michelle here with Straw-Bearie Designs, and today's video is top 20 things for kids to do outside in the springtime. This weather outside is gorgeous. We need to all get out and enjoy it, and I know sometimes some kids can have a hard time thinking of what to do. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, here we go. These top 20 things are in no particular order. As long as you're getting outside and you're having fun, that's the point of it. And if it's still a little too cold where you live, check out my top 20 things to do for kids to do in the winter time. I'll have a link in the description below. Some of these things, I'm going to try to find some photos of my kids when they were young doing some of the things to show for you. All right, so you can plant a garden. How about grabbing a bike and taking your bike out for a spin? Sit outside and read a good book. You could play a game of tag. Grab some friends from the neighborhood, some siblings, have a good old game of old-fashioned tag. Whee! Go to the park. Swing, slide, seesaw, merry-go-round. Have some fun. You're never too old. You could take sidewalk chalk and make yourself an old-school hopscotch board and just jump through it. You could practice a sport. Is there a sport that you're wanting to get better at? Maybe shoot some hoops, or practice your baseball, or your tennis, or soccer, whatever it is. Get out there and practice that sport. Get better at it. All right, so this one may not be for the youngest kids, and it's to get out and spray paint or paint. Do something that maybe would smell too much inside the house. Of course, make sure that you have your parents' permission. Like, I like to remake furniture and spray paint it outside, and my boys, they like to sometimes spray paint their models that they build. All right, so you can blow bubbles. Bubbles are so cool, and they are so stress relieving. I once got a little bottle of bubbles during finals time at college and just went out and blew bubbles, and it makes you take deep breaths. You're blowing out slowly, and it just releases stress and calms you. And then there's bubbles too. You know, adults can do this too. Get outside and have a Nerf gun war. You can become a photographer. Yes, go around, look at the world around you with new eyes. Take your phone or your camera and take pictures of the wildflowers or the trees or the cactus or whatever you have around you, and just kind of get a different perspective and work on maybe some photography skills. I have my students do this as one of their class assignments. All of these ideas were inspired by my middle school students, so shout out to all my students at Marble Falls Middle School. If you're watching, comment and let me know that you watched. But these are things that you can do at any age, younger, older, it doesn't matter. We all can enjoy getting out and enjoying some fresh air and some sunshine. Right, Ranger? Yeah. Ranger agrees. You can have a picnic. Yum. Eating outside, it just makes the food seem so much more special. I know sometimes with my family, with my kids, that we would just make our lunches, put them on a plate and everything, and then just carry the plates outside. And a lot of times we'd go sit up in the fort and we'd eat our lunches in the fort. You can make up a dance routine. So, another thing that you can do is you can exercise with a buddy. We all need exercise. We all need to get out and get in shape and move our bodies, and it's even more fun to do it with a friend. I remember one year my oldest had just come home for his first spring break from college, and he decided he was going to be kind of like a personal trainer to his brother and me and a couple buddies. And I remember doing buddy sit-ups with both of my boys who were in a lot better shape than I am. And the way you do it is you link elbows and you're all sitting on the ground together and you all do the sit-ups together. Well, I can't really do sit-ups very well. I mean, I would do crunches, but full sit-ups? Yeah, that wasn't my thing back then. Okay, honestly, it's not my thing now. But they were just going and going and going and taking me along with them. I don't think I could move my stomach at all the next day. I was so sore. So don't go that far, but it is fun to work out with a friend. Get outside and do something messy, like play with Play-Doh or slime out on a picnic table. It's much easier to clean up. Or even silly string. It's always fun to go on a hike. Maybe that hike could be at a park nearby, or maybe it's just around your neighborhood. But go out, explore. Gaze up at the clouds. Just lay back, look up at the clouds and see what you see. Elephants, sheep, a horse running by. Anything. Skate. Now, if you're really cool and you can skateboard, there are skateboard parks all around the country. All around the world. Or maybe you have an old pair of roller skates or something inside your closet someplace deep. Ask your mom. Maybe she has an old pair that you have grown into and you can fit into now. I do. If you have some great ideas for some things that you like to do outside in the springtime, please leave them in the comments below if I didn't mention them. And if one of these has inspired you and you want to go out and make sure that you do it, then also tell me which one that is. Get outside and play with the pet. Good boy, bring me the ball. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you, Ranger. Good boy, Scout. Ranger loves to play fetch. Scout loves to run beside him and bark. And little Squeaky, she likes to come get pets while the big boys are out running. Take the hashtag trashtag challenge. So what this is you find an area that has been trashed and you take a picture of it. Then you clean it all up and then you take another picture of it and you post both pictures together on social media with the hashtag trashtag. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will get outside in nature, enjoy the sunshine, have some fun, and like and subscribe to this video. I don't think I want to get down. This is fun. I do all my own stunts. Yay!